Yo, 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 welcome to the channel. This is the world's first intelligent desk lamp. So if you've been following along on the channel, a couple months ago I put together an IKEA desk, part of my quest towards minimalism. Well, every desk needs a good desk lamp, and this is the world's first smart desk lamp, the BenQ WIT. This guy is super awesome. It's actually designed in an arc pattern so that you're getting more coverage over your desk area. It has adjustments that you can adjust it to a warm LED light when you're just reading, or a cool LED light when you have tasks that you want to get done. It has a smart sensor on it as well, and you just tap that sensor and that sensor is automatically going to sense the ambient light. And it's so smart that it will actually dim portions of the light and brighten other portions of the light to match the ambient lighting that you already have in your room. So if you're gonna get a desk lamp, this is definitely one to look at. All right, let's open it up. We've got the noisy cricket back. All right, here we go. Ta-da! So that is the lamp base, and it has some adjustment there. Here are the directions, an Allen key. I think I have to put something together here. Packaging. This is the magic right here. This is the LED light bar. I think something was still in there. All right. We got everything. So basically inside the package, you've got your base, okay, with an adjustable mount. And then you've got your LED arc light here. Now I know what the Allen key is for. This slides on there like so. And these little screws and the Allen key go in here. Oh, cool. And there's a little cover that they include as well that you can cover up your screws. All right, let's get to it here. Number one. Da, da, da. Number two. Just get these started. Tighten them up after. Alrighty, one. Tightened. And two tightened. Got the little cover. Pop it in there. Looks very nice. Undo our power cord. This is a very nice braided power cord with the light as well. Does it clip in here? I think it does. Yes, it does. So you clip your power cord into the arm, like so. And there you have it. A super minimalist, smart desk lamp. Did I give that enough? Yeah. Whoa. Aha. Make sure at the top here that when you tuck your power cord in, you give it enough room. So I'm gonna bend that down like so. Give that a little bit of slack. And now I'm gonna tuck my power cord back in. Just like so. Now we have slack. And in this little box here, I'm going to assume this is the power adapter, which it is. So you take your cord, you plug in your power adapter, you find an outlet, which I have over here. Voila! Your BenQ desk lamp. Now that is super bright. So the knob on the top has multi-uses. One click and a turn, and you're changing the color temperature of the light. Another click and a turn, and you're actually changing the brightness of the light. And then if you touch the actual wheel here, that puts it into an ambient mode where it's actually sensing the light that's all around. So we just touch that, and that puts it into the smart mode. So you can see it can actually get brighter on the sides and lighter in the middle. So this is a super awesome light, especially if you have any tasks that you're gonna do. Very minimalist, super modern look to it. I actually really like it. Very smart design here to actually cast light across a larger surface. So if you have a longer desk like I have, this is the perfect addition for it. So if you're looking for a high quality, smart, intelligent desk lamp to add to your workspace, I highly, highly recommend the BenQ WIT. This thing is amazing. It's super awesome on your eyes. It really helps your productivity by having the option to change it to a blue or warmer light. And it looks great. If you're looking for that minimalistic type of look to it, this thing's got it. So if you want to add one of these to your workspace, head down below where I put a direct link in the description to this BenQ light on Amazon. Have a click, you might get Prime Day shipping, and you can have yours in a few days. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy out there.